So this is my project. I called up my sister. She's been fighting depression for a while now, and I asked her for her story. My scene is more for the treatment, going through treatment for depression rather than like depression itself. Um, and how it made her feel, how it makes her feel. The trees, um, they're gray, like medication. That actually represent the medication and the treatment that she's had and is currently taking. Um, I downloaded these. I didn't make these. Um, let's see. The hills are like the highs and lows of depression. Some of them are steeper. You can't really climb over them. Some of them are easy to climb, like these hills over here. Um, the ones with that are easier to climb have like the trees because it's mostly easiest for medication or the easier days when she had medication. Um, these things in the sky is represents like the hallucinations and the unsteadiness that she felt when she took new medications. Let's see. Let's see. Uh, the sunset um, is for healing, but the clouds in the sky are also like the hovering depression. You never really know when the fog is going to come down and the depression will set in again. But there's always hope for a better time. Uh, yep, gonna stay here in the depression hall. There's a way out for each of these. Unfortunately, I didn't memorize them before I started the video. Um, but yeah, that's basically it.